In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix account not in this store error on iPhone App Store. If you're seeing the message that your account isn't in this store when trying to download or install an app, don't worry. This usually happens when the App Store has cached the wrong region for your Apple ID or your session needs a simple refresh. The fix is quick, safe, and won't affect your purchases or subscriptions. I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. On the main App Store screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This takes you to your account page where we can refresh your session. On the account page, scroll down and tap Sign Out. When prompted, tap Done to confirm. Signing out here doesn't remove your data. It just clears the App Store's current session and refreshes your region and account settings in the background, which is exactly what we want for this error. Once you've signed out, head back to the App Store home screen. Use the Search tab at the bottom to look up the app you were trying to get. Searching again ensures the App Store loads results based on your refreshed account session. When you find the app, tap Get. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in again. That's expected, and it's a good sign that the App Store is rebuilding a clean connection to your account. Sign back in with your Apple ID and password to continue. Use the same Apple ID you normally use on this iPhone for downloads and purchases. If your device asks for Face ID or Touch ID, go ahead and authenticate to confirm. This step relinks your account to the correct store for your region. After signing in, tap Install to download the app as you normally would. You should see the progress circle appear, and the app will begin installing without the account not in this store message. In most cases, the error is gone immediately once the session is refreshed. That's all there is to it. By signing out from your App Store profile and signing back in during a fresh install, you prompt the App Store to align your Apple ID with the correct regional store and clear any cached mismatch. Your App Store should now work without the account not in this store error, and you can continue downloading apps as usual. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.